Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the back door panel. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. These clips are a push pin. You just push in the center. It's the first stage, and then you can just pop it out. That's what it looks like. To reinstall it, you push that pin in out all the way like that. Then you can put it in and flatten it out. So we're going to take all the pins all the way around that hold the panel on. There's two on the inner side of the panel, so don't forget those. There's two on the bottom. And then the two on the side. We're going to take this plastic cover off, and underneath it should be a mounting screw of some sort. I just use a pocket screwdriver because you've got to get something real thin in there, and then I'll use the body tool to pop that out. As you can see, it's a Torx bit head on that mounting screw, and this is a T25. We're just going to back that right out. Now we can just grab the panel. We're going to raise it up off of the top window ledge, and the lock button you can push down to help. Just lift it up like that. So to pop this cable off, there's two clips right here, one on the top, one on the bottom. Just going to kind of spread those and pull out at the same time, and it comes right off. Then we have the connector for the main switch for the back window. Sorry, not the main switch, but the back switch. See that tab right there? Push down on that. Pull that out. Now we have the panel. So now we're going to reinstall the inner handle cable. It's got this plastic piece that just lines right up perfectly, flat, square, and just snap it in. Now we can connect the electrical connector. That's for the window switch. I'm going to put the lock down all the way. See if I can guide my cable back into the plastic. Put that into the hole, and you'll see that ridge line up here. Put your panel right into that ridge line. Nice and firm, and then push down. I'm going to confirm that my mounting hole lines up, and it does. And all my 6 pins line up. I'm going to put the pins in first. That is to make sure that divot piece is extended out, not in. Show you how to do these all the way around. Guide it into place with that pin out, and then you push the pin in till it's flush. Like that. Do that to all 6 of them. That's the last pin, and now we're ready to install the mounting bolt. It's located in the handle. So it's a T25. Tighten that right up and put the plastic protective cover on. You have 2 plastic guides. See how it sits? So it goes down in that way. Snaps right into place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.